mirror above this line, which reflect back on the same side but in the downward direction. But these light rays below the lines, below this line, they reflect upwards. But one thing, that all the light rays, when they are reflecting on the same side, they all reflecting towards a point, towards a particular point. They meet at a particular point. Now you see, so these all the light rays are getting reflected by the surface of mirror and are traveling in this direction. In their own direction, they meet at a single point. That point at which all the light rays are actually meeting is known as the focus, that we call focus. So focus is the point at which all the light rays meet, all the reflected light rays meet from the mirror is known as focus. So at that point the image will be formed, right? So this concave mirror is having one more term also, that is focus. Center of curvature, pole, that is point on the surface of mirror, this is focus, right? Now you see that all the parallel light rays traveling towards the mirror, after reflection, they are converging at a single point. So this is the nature of this is concave mirror, that all the light rays after reflection, they all meet at a single point, or we can say they all converging at a single point. That's why we can call this concave mirror also as converging mirror. Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror, right? So converging mirror or concave mirror, both are same. That's the name is different. This name is given due to its property to converge all the light rays after a reflection from its surface, right? Now here we took the object at infinity, and that light rays from infinite distant object traveling parallel to each other, after reflection they all meeting at a single point. So that means the image is formed at this point, focus, right? Since all the light rays are actually meeting at this point, so obviously the image is real image, because real image, we have two images, real image and virtual image. Real image, the image formed due to actual meeting of light rays. Here the light rays are actually meeting, so here the real image is formed, right? Okay. Now we are going to bring that object closer to this mirror. Then the object has to be closed, that moved closer to this mirror. In that case also the image is formed. But the nature of image formed for the infinite position and for other position will be different. Now you see, this is the mirror, concave mirror. Now this is the line which is passing through the pole and the center of curvature. Here we have the focus. Now if we take a candle, a lighted candle. The lighted candle is placed in front of this concave mirror, right? Suppose this is the lighted candle. Here it is placed at this position, flame, right? Flame of candle. Now this candle is placed closer to the mirror, but it is just behind the center of curvature. For this position of candle, we will see the image of this candle at the position that will be formed in between this one, in between this. That means the candle will, the flame of candle or candle will appear in this way. So this is the image of that candle flame. See, this is the flame of candle. In this way, the flame of candle appears. This is the practical thing. We have to do practically. How can you people do this activity? You can do in your home also. That by taking that spoon, if you move the spoon, take your face as the object, and this is the mirror, and if you adjust the moon, otherwise you can do one thing, that fix the mirror at any stand, on any stand, and you can adjust yourself, moving towards the mirror, moving away from the mirror. In that case also you can observe the face you are seeing in the mirror, that the size of face will be different for various position. So in that practical activity, we are getting this observation. When we put this object, this candle flame, behind the center of curvature, we will get that image between center of curvature and the focus and its nature. Here the position, here the object is placed behind the C. For this the image is obtained between C and F, between C and F, right? It is inverted, it is inverted. You can see this inversion of this upside down. So that is inversion. So inverted image is real. It is real, and you can observe the size also. The size is smaller. So for the position of this object behind the C, we are getting the image between C and F, inverted, real and smaller. Right? This is one position. Then if we move the same candle and it is placed here, you can do this activity slowly. You have to take much time to perform this activity. Then this candle is going to move one step further. Here we are moving this candle to the position of center of curvature. Now it is placed at the center of curvature. For this position, you are getting the image at the same position. In this same position, you will see one more thing also, that the size of that flame will be same. Size of flame will be same. Here we are getting the same size of flame. Whenever we get the same size of flame, that means the image is also formed at the center of curvature. Inverted means it is real also, real and the same size, that means same candle flame is moved from behind center of curvature to the position of C, and its nature has changed, size is changed. Once again we are going to, here it is at C. Once again the same candle flame is moved towards the mirror one step, and that one step, now the candle flame is placed between center of curvature and the focus, right? Okay, if we move the candle flame towards this, from the center of curvature to the position between center of curvature and focus, now the image is shifted one step away from the mirror. Here we get that image will be like this. Here you will see that a flame of candle will be very large, very bigger than the actual size of the flame. This is